Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve May June 2022 paper and the component code is 22. Alright, and we will start with the task which is called as a documentation production. Alright, so now we will start with our task 2 documentation. What we need to do here, you are going to edit a document for Tawara Adric Marines. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created. Okay, here they are asking us to create a paragraph style. Modify and apply as instructed. Alright, so now open the file j2222guide.rft. To do that, we will go to our support file folder and we will open the file j22. Done. Now next, the page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margin. Do not change any of the setting. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. Save the document as TAM Marines. Do we need to add here name, center number, candidate number? We will go to file, save as, and then our support file folder, and the name would be TAM Summary. Alright, and change it to Microsoft Word document and then save. Take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Done. Next, what I need to do here, place in a header your name, center number and candidate number, right align, and in footer automated page number, center align. We will go here. Now insert header. So here in header, right align your name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, done. Now in footer, they ask us to put the page number, which should be center align. Done. So let's go to the next question. The header is right aligned to the margin. The footer is center aligned to the margin. No other text or a placeholder are included in the header and footer. Header and footer are displayed on all the pages. So we need to make sure that we did not enter any data or any text in our header and footer, and header and footer should be properly aligned and should be visible in all the pages. So we can able to see here it is visible in all the pages. All right, done. Question number 3, create the following paragraph style basing them on a default paragraph style. All right, so we need to make sure that all the paragraph style we are creating, it should be on a default position. So first style name is TAM subheads. To create this, we will click on styles, okay, new style, and here the style name is TAM Submarines, and then we need to change it to normal so that it would be default. Next, font style is serif and font size is 20. All right, so font style is serif, means Times New Roman, and size is 20. Done. Next, alignment should be center and enhancement should be bold and underline. So alignment is center, enhancement is bold and underline. Single line spacing and space after and before is 0, 0. So it should be single line spacing. To do this, we will click on format paragraph, okay, and then the line spacing should be single and before and after is 9, and then press OK and then OK. Now don't worry, here you need to just select this and apply the TAM body. Yes, we successfully created TAM subtitle. Okay, now let's go to the next question. TAM table. Here they ask us to create a TAM table, and font style is serif and font size is 12. Okay, so new style name is timetable, and then sheriff and 12. So here also it is Times New Roman, and then it is 12. The font size is 12. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Alignment should be center and enhancement is italic. So alignment is center, enhancement is italic. Done. Next, single line spacing before 0, after 0. So format paragraph, single line spacing before 0 and after 0. Press OK. Take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file as instructed. Now next, save. Perfect. Done? Yeah. Let's go to the next question. Display the custom paragraph style name as a list in the paragraph style manager organizer. Display the custom paragraph style name. Okay, so here we have a manager and organizer, style manager and organizer. Display the custom. Take a screenshot showing the custom paragraph style. So here it is. We can see the paragraph style which we created just now. You need to take a screenshot in the style manager and paste in your evidence file. Now display, yes, we displayed and done. Next, at the start of the document enter a title Tawara Adriatic Marine. So now to do that, we will start of the paragraph. Let me just press enter and go up and control V. All right, so now normally you can paste it, control V. All right, now apply tam title paragraph style. So select this tam title, applied it, perfectly fine. Next, enter your names immediately after the subtitle edited by, write your name ABC. Next, do we need to add a center number and candidate number here? No. The term subtitle paragraph style have already been created and applied. Okay, so modify the term subtitle paragraph. So question number 6, they are asking us to modify it. So term, what is it? Term subtitle. All right, so term subtitle is here. Right click, modify. Okay, what we need to change here? First, we need to change the font style, which should be sans serif, means Arial. All right, font size is 18, from 11 to 18. Then alignment is right alignment. Next, enhancement is italic, so italic, remove underline. Next, line spacing is single, before and after 0, 0. So go to paragraph, before and after is 0, 0, and line spacing is single. Press OK. And do we need to take a screenshot here? Yeah, they are asking us to take the screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Take a screenshot and paste it and press OK. Done. Next, I hope you can able to see the changes when we apply the modified subtitle. Next, select the subheads, the Adriatic and the following text up to include the paragraph ending with price list for each marine. So the Adriatic and till where they ask us to put it? Price list of each marine. So where is it? Price list of each marine. Yeah. So yeah, here till here, price list of each marine selected. Next, change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns with 2 centimeters of spacing. To do that, we will go to layout view, column, more columns, 2 column, and then 2 centimeter spacing, press OK. Perfectly fine. Is it 2 centimeter? Yeah, 2 centimeter spacing. Apply arrow bullet shape to the text from boat repair to shower facilities. Boat repair to showering facilities. Apply bullet. So we'll go to home, bullets, and this bullet we need to apply arrow. Next, make sure the bullet are indent to 1 centimeter from the left margin. Right click, paragraph. First we will change the indent to how much? 1 centimeter from left. So here it is 1 centimeter. Next, the list in a single line spacing, no before and after. So it should be single and remove before and after. Next, there should be a 6 space after the last item that we will do in the next step. So take a screenshot and paste. If they ask us to do, no screenshot, and just press apply. Perfectly fine. Now here they ask us to put a last line. It should have a spacing. Okay, so now I will go to single line spacing, and after is 6 points, and then press OK. Done. Next, identify the 5 subheadings in the document and apply TAM subheads, paragraph style to each one. So let me find out. Attract subhead point 1. Okay, now next is restriction 2. Okay, now then 2, and then birthing is 3, and then we have total 6. So amenities is 4. Okay, and then we also have price here. So price is 5. Next, one more we need to find out. Where is it? So is it total 5? Yeah, sorry, it is total 5. All right, so we're done with all the 5. So student, here it is important to understand why after applying all the style, you need to make sure, cross check with your question paper whether you applied it in a correct way or not. So if you see here, the font size is 20. Yeah, so you click here, it is 20, and serif is Times New Roman. So here with this setting, you can make sure that underline and bold. With this setting, you can make sure that the styles which you are applying is correct. Next, let's go to the next question. Import the image J2 to anchor.jpg and place in the paragraph begin with during the summer months. All right, so paragraph is here during the summer month. Let me go insert picture from my support file. Okay, where is our support file? Desktop, May June 2022 paper. Yes, anchor and insert. Done. Next, crop the image, remove only the web line above the anchor. Okay, so this line we need to remove it. So crop it, so we don't want this web line. And enter. Done. Got it. Next, web line is removed. Format the crop image so that it would be resized to 3 centimeter width and no distortion. So here right click, size and position, it should be width is 3 centimeter. Press OK. Next, it is aligned to the left of the paragraph and text grab the image. Okay, it is already left. Now let me grab the image. Perfect. Done. Next, locate the table in the document and then apply TAM table paragraph style to the table. Where is the table? Here it is. So I select all the table and apply timetable. Perfectly fine. Next, insert a new row. Insert a new row as a first row of the table and enter the title. So here right click, insert the array above, and let me merge it so that I can make it as a title, and this is the title. Control C and Control V. Perfect. Done. Format the first row the table to be center aligned over the two column. It is already center aligned. Okay, center aligned over the two column. Yes, perfectly fine. Next, format the table so that all internal external grid lines are displayed while print. It is already internal grid line is viewed. Okay, next, the border and the data are fit in a column width. The border and the data is in a column width. Next, there is a 6 point after space the table. Already it is there. You need to make sure it is 6. So just click on paragraph. Yes, it is 6. Perfect. Next, save the document using the file name and format. Use the step 1 and print the document. So finally, once you're done, you need to take the screenshot. Print your document. Control P. Yeah, this is how your document look like. So finally we're done with the task. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.